just sounds so much more aggressive.
Are we rolling?
Don't know.
Okay. Morning. I decided that I'm going to go for a little remap on the Mini. Now the engine's been rebuilt and it's running very nicely. I thought it would be a sensible time to do it. I'm a little bit worried about the clutch. So for those people thinking, oh, you can get 280 out of these, I know you can. I won't be going for that today simply because I think the clutch is standard. So I want to try and remap it within the limits of the clutch. I don't want to drive home and then find the clutch goes, because they're quite delicate on these M14 engines. Apparently from the N18s onwards, they do kind of strengthen the clutch and put something better in, but I haven't got that. So I think we're going for stage 2 today because I've got an intercooler, sports cat, what else have I got?
So you got one intercooler, sports cat, cold air feed, yeah.
So we'll see how that goes. Let's get it on a rolling road.
Yeah, so I guess, what, we're going to try and guess what your car will take and what it will be mapped to. I said 245 on the way down here.
Yeah, it's 211 at the moment. I've just been told because it's an N14 engine, they don't really push them to what they can do, which I'm happy with. I don't want to, drive home and it breaks. So maybe 242, I'm going to say. 242. Pernickety, yeah.
Cool, okay.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Indeed. I'm excited, as long as I can get through it all up. This is Warren. He's done a map of my Astra before.
Indeed.
And did a great job. It was amazing. So I'm trusting him to go again and hopefully make this Mini even better.
Yeah, indeed.
So yeah.
All right.
Watch it. You don't need him, Matt. Exactly what I said.
242. Man.
So we're done. Here is my little printout, and as you can see there, if you can, it was on just under 210, but it's now on 247. So I'm excited. We're going to drive home, see what it's like.
It's going to be mental.
I've got no power steering yet because it's just come off the ramp.
You want to tell them as well that essentially you can have more power with apparently better fuel.
Yeah, I put in, what did I put in?
BP Ultimate.
BP Ultimate, which is apparently rubbish. So I've been told not to use that and to go for something a bit better like Shell V Power. Right, so just about to pull off a slip road, see how it feels. And we've got a lorry in front of us. So,
Sat nav duty.
Sat nav duty. Oh boy.
Okay. Look how quickly it's climbed. The speed though.
He has made the torque much more progressive than it was.
Yeah.
It used to be a bit violent.
Instead of it being like a thud.
Yeah. Okay. Roundabout time.
Launch time. Sorry.
No clutch slip.
It just sounds so much more aggressive.
Oh, that's not bad, is it?
Oh wow, this Prius.
Got a Prius taking me. Oh.
No.
Oh, I need a refund. Passed by a Prius.
This is
Oh boy.
something. The Prius guy was watching you do a
Okay. WG Motorworks,
Yeah.
you have done a very good job.
Shout out to you, man. Really cool guy.
Very cool guy.
Very cool guy. Indeed.
And clearly he knows what he's doing, because
Yeah.
let's just say it's pretty mega.
Yeah, for real. It's so good. So good.
It just picks up so much better. The torque is better. The torque before was a little bit jumpy.
Yeah, so there's a speedo in the middle of this car, and you can literally watch the needle go like that,
Yeah.
just like that, literally flow in gears. It's yeah, it's good. It's really good, and it flamed on the dyno. I don't know if the camera picked it up,
We'll see.
but yeah, that's a sports car for you, I guess.
Very impressed. Very impressed. We're back.
You happy?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
it
happy
feels-
for you. Like, this is something else.
It feels good. It feels really, really good.
Mm.
So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I mean, I was worried about clutch slipping maybe. That was like my biggest fear, or the engine just going bang because it's an M14. But none of that. Got home fine.
Even when it was on the, like, going through the process of being remapped, there wasn't any clutch slip
No
or anything
smoke.
like that at all. No.
No.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so he's done a cracking job. I know it's not 280 horsepower like a lot of these minis can get to, but like I say, I was just trying to keep this safe whilst having a bit more fun than I had before.
Well, I mean, if this is what 250 feels like, because this is basically 250, let's call it.
Let's round up the number from 247. Yeah.
Well, once you put, as in his words, good fuel in.
Yeah, so Shell V power apparently.
Yeah. Anyway, if that's what this feels like, 280 must be death trap.
Yeah, I'm not driving this now and thinking this needs more power.
And this isn't to diss anyone that's got 280. I mean, how are we gonna diss you? You got more power. It's just to say that this feels immense with 250.
Yeah, it's really nice and balanced.
Yeah, 100%.
So yeah, I guess we'll see you next time. I'm sure there'll be some more mods for this Mini, Civic, other cars coming up. So we'll see you then.
Indeed.
But please do like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
Tell me if you've had a remap in the comments, what you've got, how it's held up. Appreciate this being the M14.
It will be interesting to find out.
Yeah.
How long
Do problems happen? Am I around the corner for the problems? We'll see.
Indeed.
But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.